Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Hyundai Genesis. This 4-door sedan has a 6-cylinder engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai has less than 162,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, automatic climate control, front air conditioning, airbags, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, leather seats, stability control, traction control, and window defogger. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.